Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Remove the stuffing from the hot pepper and place it on the side of your plate with your dinner fork. And cut the pepper in pieces with your steak knife. Portion the stuffing on each half of the pepper with your dinner fork. Pour excess tomato sauce onto each piece of pepper and stuffing with a teaspoon or sauce ladle.
Let's help you make your mark.
Whenever I'm making my favorite stuffed pepper recipe, I always dice up the pepper tops and throw them into my filling. If you're not slicing your bell peppers in half and using them whole, you can also use the tops of peppers as a lid.
Take our lead.
Stuffed peppers in American cuisine is a dish where bell peppers, often the green, yellow, orange, and red varieties, are typically filled with a stuffing such as ground beef, mixed with breadcrumbs or cooked rice, eggs, herbs, and spices, especially paprika and parsley, and cheese.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.